Hey guys, welcome back to channel. Why is CNG better than petrol or diesel? So here is the answer. As petrol and the diesel price have surged to a record level, CNG is gaining popular over other fuel options. CNG is considered as cheaper, greener and cleaner alternative fuel as compared to petrol and diesel. This has prompted several automakers in India to focus on and launch CNG variant of different cars. Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai have launched CNG model that come combined with petrol and CNG fuel as well. So the model like Maruti Suzuki WagonR, Tata Tiago, Tata Tigor, Hyundai Aura, Hyundai Santro come equipped with factory-fitted CNG kits along with a regular petrol engine. These cars engines are capable of running fossil fuel as well as CNG as well. Here is why CNG is a better alternative considering the pocket pinch and the environment impact as well. So CNG is cleaner or greener? A study claimed that CNG vehicle emits 60% lesser carbon monoxide compared to fossil fuel such as petrol and diesel. CNG is also proven to produce around 45% lesser hydrocarbon than other fossil fuel. So CNG is good for a car engine? Well, CNG is considered as one of the cleanest fuel type for a vehicle engine. It leaves much less residue when compared to petrol or diesel. CNG combustion doesn't emit particular matter like petrol or diesel. This results in less damage to the pipes and the tubes of the engine, while on the other hand, increasing the lifespan of the engine. So CNG is safer than petrol or diesel. So CNG doesn't come in a liquid form as petrol or diesel. Being a gas, it dissipates quicker than petrol and diesel, and hence the chance of fire hazard in a CNG vehicle is lesser than petrol or diesel powered vehicle. CNG cylinders are usually built in a far sturdier manner than petrol or diesel tank. Also, the ignition point for CNG is 540 degrees Celsius, which is nearly about the ignition point of petrol or diesel. Thus, CNG is safer than petrol and diesel. That's why people converting their vehicle into CNG. So that's all for the day. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye.